Hey everyone, let's talk about YTL power today. Now, I know some of you are freaking out because the stock price has taken a dive after the company announced untradeable free warrants. Relax, take a deep breath. I'm here to break this down for you, simple, educational, and with just the right dash of humor. Let's get one thing clear. When the stock price drops upon the announcements of warrant, it doesn't mean your money has gone poof. It just means the value of your investment is now being spread around. Think of it like ordering pizza. Before that, you had one big slice of stock. Yum! And now the same pizza is cut into slices of stocks and warrants. The pizza is still the same size, but now you have got more ways to enjoy it. Here's what happened. Before the X date, your shares have all the value. Let's say you are holding on to YTL Power shares priced at RM 4 ringgit each. That's your big slice. Then, X date hits. The stock price will normalize downward. Why? Because some of the value is now transferred to the warrants you will be getting. Say the stock price dropped to RM 2 ringgit and 76 cents. That doesn't mean you have lost money. The remaining value is now in the warrant. So no, you're not getting ripped off. You are getting an extra slice. Now here's the catch. And it's an important one too. These warrants are untradeable. You can't sell them on the market. To turn them into actual shares, you will have to exercise them. And that means you will need cash. For example, the warrant strike price is RM 2 ringgit and 45 cents. If you want to convert those warrants into shares, you will need RM 2 ringgit and 45 cents for each warrant you exercise. Think of it like gym membership. The warrant is your access card to the gym, but you still have to pay to use the treadmill. So here's the warning. If you don't have the cash to exercise the warrants, you won't be able to unlock their value. That's why planning ahead is so important. Alright, so what's the key takeaway here? First, don't panic about the stock price dropping. The value hasn't disappeared. It's just being reallocated to include the warrants. And second, understand the importance of the X date. You need to hold onto your shares by this date in order to qualify for the free warrants. And third, plan your cash flow. If you want to benefit from the warrant, make sure you have got the funds ready to exercise them. No cash, no gym access. Wise solution for those without cash. Now, if you are thinking, but I don't have the money to exercise this warrant. Don't worry, there's still a solution. Here is what you can do. Option 1, plan ahead for partial exercise. You don't have to exercise all your warrants at once. If cash is tight, prioritize exercising as many warrants as you can afford. This way, you still get to unlock some value without overstretching your finances. Option 2, build up your cash reserve now. Use the time before the exercise period ends. For your information, this warrant has a 3 years tenure to set aside funds bit by bit. Think of it as investing in your future gain. Option 3, reinvest dividend. If YTL Power pays dividend, consider reinvesting those payouts towards the cost of exercising your warrants. And the final option, which is option 4, seek financial advice. Talk to a financial advisor maybe about leveraging other investment gains or reallocating your portfolio to free up some cash. Remember, just because you can't exercise all your warrants doesn't mean you have lost. Exercise what you can and focus on the long-term growth of the company. And in case if you are wondering, why would YTL Power decide to issue untradeable warrants over tradable warrants? This is because untradeable warrants are cheaper for the company because they don't need to be listed on the stock market, thus avoiding extra fees and administrative hassle. And at the same time, YTL Power and YTL Corp are using these untradeable warrants as a smart tool to reward their loyal shareholders Avoid unnecessary speculations and raise funds in a more controlled, cost-effective ways. It's a win-win if you understand how to benefit from it. Remember, this isn't a doomsday scenario for shareholders. Instead, it is an opportunity, but only if you understand how the warrants work and plan accordingly. So keep calm, hold steady, and if you have got questions, drop them down in the comments below. I will break it down for you further if needed. And as we wrap up, this will be my final video before the Chinese New Year celebration. To all my Chinese friends, wishing you a very happy Chinese New Year filled with joy, prosperity, and good health. And to everyone else, happy holidays. May you enjoy this festive season with your loved ones. And hey, while you are here, don't forget to hit on the like button below, subscribe if you have not done so, and share this video to your fellow YTL Power shareholders. Let's help everyone to understand what's going on here, one pizza slice at a time. See you in the next video.